Okay class, open a school laptop computer, open Microsoft PowerPoint, and make a presentation about whatever you want. Ryanair. Or Southwest. Or game. Okay, I'll give you 3 hours now.
I am turn on my school laptop computer for Ryanair Southwest Airlines. Okay, now let's go on Google YouTube for Ryanair Southwest Airlines now. Okay, let's click on this site. Yes! For girls Ryanair's ha 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 ha!
Classic Caillou, how is your presentation doing? Let me see the computer now.
Classic Caillou. How dare you girls Ryanair Southwest school computer. Go to principal office now.
Classic Caillou, what brings you to my office?
I installed ransomware on a Ryanair Girls Southwest for school computer.
Classic Caillou. You know that for girls Ryanair Southwest Airlines ransomware can severely damage a computer's hard drive, corrupt the computer's files if you try to turn off the computer, and run somewhere only on chips Bitcoin. That's it. You are suspended for 1 week. Here are your Ryanair papers. I'm calling your parents.
Oh no! I'm going to be so grounded, get a Ryanair.
That's right.
Thanks for calling me, Mr. Snail. She's going to be so grounded.
Here are her suspension and Ryanair papers.
Thank you! Classic Caillou, we're going home now. When we get home, you're going to be grounded now. Classic Caillou, how dare you girls Ryanair's on YouTube school computer. That's it. You're grounded until get Casper Plotagon Studio trial. Go to your room now. What? Hey. I'm so sick of being grounded right now.